These lands have a story to tell, written by history's greatest author, Mother Nature. Here, this story is always evolving, forever beginning again, creating new possibilities without end. This is a place where heritage leads to innovation, and seedlings become nourishment. Here, giggles become memories, discovery becomes learning, and a glance becomes love. Here, wanderlust becomes wondering. A simple breath leads to Zen. And new beginnings create new opportunities for an unforgettable story of your own. Our land tells its greatest story, and possibility becomes reality.